Good morning, my name is Diego Hernando Quintero Martinez. I am a student industrial engineering in the University Nacional, Open and Distance. I will let you know about the organizational layout in the Diamond Supermarket. Factor: team building. Problems: there is teamwork in the El Diamante supermarket since Mr. Joaquin Perez does not allow himself to be at the set of high the opinion of his relatives since his children are professional. Proposal situation: to improve teamwork, we need good communication, defining objectives, recognizing and rewarding the achievements of each one of the workers, as well as supporting the team on reviewing the work frequently, take advantage of the strength of each member of your work team. Factor 2: leadership. Problems: the leadership of the supermarket is very poor. Being a good leader means listening more and talking less. You must pay attention to the problems of the organization and the perspective of the other members of the team. Don Joaquin lacked being more visionary to see of the every day the content is changing. It is with the team itself and the company must go. Proposal situation: high team members your full attention when they share ideas or comments, study them together, schedule recurring meetings to talk with the team, participate in meetings organized with the team, see what they can implement, what can be improved as a company or team of work. Factor 3: challenge management. Since Mr. Perez is really a little and administrative, Chan must demand to Chan Mr. Joaquin is not in charge of everything. Proposal situation: the improvement proposal for the supermarket to hold a meeting, leaving the daughter Anna as administrator with the company each of her brothers. Factor 4: conflict management. When the two new competitions arrived, Mr. Joaquin accelerated and carried out process to the engagement with coaching on relatives. Proposal situation: they charge of the business again without worrying with the team marketing strategies. Factor 5: human capital and innovation. Situation: problem. One of the main mistakes that was made from the beginning is not paying social security to its employees. In order to be protected, we must innovate since everyday tax-based work are good time. Proposal situation: temporarily included products not related to the usual assortment to generate attention and attract new audiences. create micro space. Thank you very much.